Come test drive the 2018 A6. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, braking assist, regenerative braking system, rear fog light. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Audi Connect satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot,